Have you ever wondered about the most corrosion-resistant metal found on Earth? Today we're going to dive into the intriguing world of a truly remarkable element known as iridium. Iridium, for those of you who aren't familiar, is a lustrous, silvery metal, and it holds a rather prestigious position in the periodic table. It's nestled within the platinum group, right there in the 10th group, 7th period, and is proudly represented by the symbol IR. This extraordinary element wasn't known to us until the early 19th century. It was in the year 1803 that a British chemist by the name of Smithson Tennant made the discovery. Tennant, while examining the residues of the solution used in dissolving platinum, discovered not one but two new elements. One was osmium, and the other, our star of the day, iridium. What a day in the annals of chemistry that must have been. Now, iridium might not be a celebrity in the way gold or silver is, but it certainly has its own unique charm. You see, iridium is one of the rarest elements found on Earth's crust. The rarity can be attributed to it being a siderophile element, a lover of iron, which means during the early formation of the planet, most of it was drawn towards the Earth's core. But don't let its scarcity fool you. Iridium, despite being a bit of a wallflower, is incredibly resilient. It's the most corrosion-resistant metal we know of, even at temperatures as high as 2,000 degrees Celsius. It's also the densest element we have on Earth. Talk about being small but mighty. And there's so much more to iridium than just its spot on the periodic table and its impressive physical properties. This element has a plethora of applications, from the world of medicine to the vast expanse of space exploration. So we've just scratched the surface of the intriguing world of iridium. Let's delve deeper. What makes iridium so unique and interesting, you might ask? Well, it's all in the properties. Iridium, the 77th element on the periodic table, is a dense silvery white metal that's part of the platinum group. It's known for its high melting point, density, and corrosion resistance, properties that make it incredibly useful in a variety of industries and scientific applications. Let's start with its high melting point. Iridium has one of the highest melting points of any element, a blistering 2,447 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than the surface of the sun. This means it can withstand extremely high temperatures, making it perfect for use in high-temperature applications like spark plugs or crucibles for high-temperature chemical reactions. The density of iridium is another standout feature. It's one of the densest elements on Earth, second only to osmium. This density gives iridium a significant amount of heft, making it an ideal material for items that need to withstand wear and tear, such as the tips of fountain pens. But perhaps one of the most impressive properties of iridium is its corrosion resistance. Iridium is one of the most corrosion-resistant materials known to science. It resists attack by virtually all acids and alkalis, even at high temperatures. This makes it incredibly useful in the chemical industry, where it can be used to line vessels and pipes that come into contact with corrosive substances. These properties, when combined, make iridium a supermetal. It's tough, it can withstand high temperatures, and it resists corrosion. These properties make iridium invaluable in industries from electronics to the automotive industry, and even in space exploration. Iridium's durability also makes it a popular choice for scientific research equipment, where it can withstand the rigors of the most demanding experiments. So, there you have it. Iridium isn't just another element on the periodic table. It's a super metal with characteristics that make it stand out from the crowd. To sum it up, iridium is a super metal with some pretty impressive properties. You might be surprised to learn that iridium has a role in our daily lives. Let's start with a fun fact. Iridium, one of the rarest elements on Earth, is found in spark plugs. Yes, you heard it right. The very spark plugs that ignite your car's engine owe their efficiency to this extraordinary element. Iridium's high melting point and excellent electrical conductivity make it the perfect material for creating strong, reliable sparks. Moving on, if you're an aficionado of elegant writing instruments, you might be familiar with fountain pens. These classic writing tools often have nibs made of iridium. The toughness and corrosion resistance of this rare metal make it an ideal choice for nibs that need to withstand the pressure of writing, and its resistance to wear ensures that your pen will keep its fine point for a long time. Now let's shift gears a bit and talk about compass bearings. For a compass to work accurately, its needle must be able to pivot smoothly and freely. That's where iridium comes in. The needle pivots on a tiny iridium-tipped point, which reduces friction and allows for precise movements. In the realm of science, iridium is a star player. Its resistance to corrosion and high temperature stability make it a valuable component in various scientific instruments. For example, it's used in devices that measure the intensity of radiation. Its ability to withstand extreme conditions also makes it useful in equipment used for exploration in space and deep sea. So, you see, iridium, despite being one of the least abundant elements on our planet, has found its way into our everyday lives. Its unique properties, such as high melting point, excellent electrical conductivity, and resistance to wear and corrosion, make it invaluable in various applications. Iridium may be rare and precious, but it certainly makes its mark in our everyday life. Iridium, despite its rarity, has made significant contributions to science. Let's dive in and uncover the role of this precious metal in the world of scientific research. Iridium is no ordinary element. It's a catalyst for discovery, a tool for understanding, and a beacon of scientific advancement. From high-temperature crucibles to radiation therapy, iridium's unique properties have been instrumental in pushing the boundaries of what we know. Picture this: a crucible, glowing white-hot in a laboratory. What's it made of? You guessed it, iridium. Why? Because of its extraordinary resistance to heat and corrosion, iridium is the go-to material for making high-temperature crucibles. These crucibles are essential for experiments involving extreme heat, allowing scientists to probe the mysteries of our universe under conditions that would destroy other materials. But iridium's contributions to science aren't confined to the lab. It's also playing a crucial role in the battle against one of humanity's most formidable foes, cancer. Thanks to its high density and atomic number, iridium is used in a form of radiation therapy called brachytherapy. Tiny iridium pellets are implanted into or near tumors, delivering a concentrated dose of radiation that can destroy cancer cells while sparing healthy tissue. And then there's the iridium layer. This thin band of iridium-rich sediment in the Earth's crust provides compelling evidence for the asteroid impact that may have caused the extinction of the dinosaurs. Around 65 million years ago, a massive asteroid slammed into Earth, blasting iridium and other materials into the atmosphere. As these particles settled, they formed a layer of iridium that we can still detect today. This iridium layer is a tangible testament to one of the most catastrophic events in Earth's history, and it's helping scientists piece together the puzzle of our planet's past. Iridium, the rare and precious metal, has its fingerprints all over the world of science. From the depths of the Earth to the frontiers of medical research, iridium is more than just a metal. It's a testament to the power of scientific discovery, a symbol of our quest for knowledge, and a reminder of the boundless potential that lies within the elements of our universe. So, we've traveled the journey of iridium, from its discovery to its use in our daily lives and its role in science. Let's take a moment to synthesize all we've learned about this remarkable metal. Iridium, the 77th element on the periodic table, is one of the rarest elements on Earth. It was discovered in the early 19th century by English chemist Smithson Tennant. Iridium is dense, corrosion-resistant, and has a high melting point. These properties make it uniquely suited for a variety of applications. In our daily lives, we encounter iridium more often than we realize. It's in the spark plugs in our cars, ensuring they ignite reliably, and in our fountain pen nibs, offering durability and a smooth writing experience. Furthermore, iridium is used in making crucibles and other equipment that can withstand high temperatures. It's also a key component in certain types of cancer treatment, where it's used to target and destroy cancer cells. In the realm of science, iridium plays a critical role. It's used in space technology, including in the engines of spacecraft. Its high resistance to heat makes it an ideal material for use in the harsh conditions of space. Furthermore, the iridium layer in geological formations has given scientists vital clues about the extinction of dinosaurs. And let's not forget the role of iridium in timekeeping. Iridium satellites are responsible for providing the signals that power GPS systems around the world. Without iridium, we might just lose our way. Iridium, though rare and often overlooked, is a testament to the diversity and complexity of the elements that make up our world. It's a reminder of how even the tiniest particles can have a massive impact on our lives and the world around us. The next time you come across a spark plug or a fountain pen nib, remember the remarkable metal iridium, a testament to the wonders of our universe.